Today we're making coconut spiced rum cupcakes. Yes, it's one for the adults. We're loading up our cupcakes with this delicious coconut spiced rum cream. It's in the cupcake batter and definitely in the frosting. We're turning a super simple cupcake into a special holiday treat. It's one for the adults. 'Tis the season. Let's get started. To a large mixing bowl, we need half a cup of salted softened butter, 1 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar packed. We're going to give this a good mix until it all looks well combined. Next goes in 3 egg whites. Mix, mix, mix. We also need 3/4 cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of coconut extract, and half a cup of Blue Chair Bay coconut spiced rum cream. We're going to mix this until everything is fully combined. For our dry ingredients, we need 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, spooned and leveled. We also need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're going to mix this until everything comes together. Be sure to check out this video's description box for a list of ingredients and directions posted there by me for your convenience. Give the bowl a quick scrape and we're ready to fill up our cupcake liners. Using a standard sized cupcake pan with some festive holiday liners, grab a cookie scooper. We're going to fill each one 3/4 of the way full. Into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean with just a few moist crumbs. Here they are, looking and smelling amazing. While those are cooling, let's make the frosting. To a bowl, we need 1 cup of unsalted softened butter and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. We're going to beat these 2 ingredients together until it's light and fluffy. Alright, this looks good. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of that coconut spiced rum cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 4 cups of powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. I added in my powdered sugar 2 cups at a time, mixing well between each addition. Lastly, we're going to scrape the bowl real quick, just checking for any lumps of unmixed butter or cream cheese we might have missed. One final quick mix, and then we're going to transfer our frosting to a piping bag fitted with an M1 piping tip. Unfortunately for me, I forgot my piping bags, so I'm improvising with this gallon Ziploc baggie. Pipe your frosting on like so, and you're done. As a last subtle touch, you can add on a light sprinkling of cinnamon on top. Here's an ingredients list. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.